In this video, I'm talking about video content marketing, why it's still relevant, and even if you haven't used it in the past, I really want you to know it's still a strategy you should be using for your business. Today, I'm going to tell you what it is and the different types available to use. Hi, my name is Tracy and welcome back to my channel where I break down digital marketing for the business owner and the entrepreneur. So make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and click on notifications so you'll be notified when I upload another video. And make sure to stay to the end because I do have an extra tip for you. As a business owner, you might feel you really don't need video content, but the stats are going to tell you differently. So here are a few. According to Weisel, people are watching more video online than ever before. In fact, the amount of online video they watch has almost doubled since 2018. Also, 86% of businesses use video as a marketing tool, and that means if you're not, your competitor probably is. And explainer videos, which I'll touch upon later in this video, have as tremendous success. They're the most common goal of a marketing video, and an overwhelming majority of people, 96%, report watching explainer videos to learn more about a product, with 88% being swayed to make a purchase. And if you're thinking of hopping on the bandwagon, well, I'm like, yeah, let's do this. I strongly suggest you do, and here's some types of video you could create as a business or a solo or entrepreneur. The first one I would talk about is an explainer video, which is just a short video used to explain your company's products or services. Explainer videos are often placed on a landing page, your website's homepage, or a prominent product page, and again, help your audience understand your product or service much better. Many brands use their targeted audience within their explainer video. They create a fictional journey highlighting the problems the targeted audience is struggling with and how they overcame it with the company's solution. Here's an example using Grammarly where they do it really well.
This is Tyler. Tyler, with Grammarly's help, is writing an email to his boss, Anita.
The next one you can have is a demo video, which is different from an explainer video because you actually show how your product or service works in the real world, rather than showing how it solves a problem. Maybe a tour of your software dashboard or taking out a product and actually using it. Here's another example showing you the difference.
So I've got my essay written, and I've been working on it for about a week. So now I'm going to show you how I use Grammarly to edit.
And of course, there's the brand video, which is different from the previous two. This is where you show off who you are, your skills and expertise as a business, perhaps the vision and values of your company, all wrapped up nicely in a non-salesy story. You're building awareness and you're attracting your target audience. And of course, here's another example that's done very well.
Communication today is way more difficult than it was before. We use so many more new channels.
And the beauty of the brand video is you can create different videos based on segments within your target audience. So you're speaking directly to them about specific service or products you offer. And what do I mean? Let's take digital marketing. I could have a brand video regarding Tracy Gurney, the overall brand. But then I could create another video targeting the people within my audience who have shown way more interest in my video stuff. I'm tailoring my message to resonate specifically with them. Segmentation is another option within digital marketing, and that's what I would be doing there. But that's for another video. And remember, I'm showing you all the types of videos, or most of them, available to you, but you would use them depending on your goals and different points of the customer's journey. So you could also do a sales video where you highlight the benefits and features of your product or service, as well as any objections. Another one could be a facts video where you take all the questions you've continually been asked and have it available on your website as a video. Some other options could be an event video. It looks like events and conferences and summits are happening. So maybe if you have a trade show or your business is hosting an event or you are attending one, create or produce a highlight video showing presentations, interviews, or the social aspects of the event. Expert interview videos of someone within your industry is another great option, and it actually gives you expertise, authority, and trust, which is something I mentioned in this video, and that really helps your customer decide to buy from you. And we can also do educational or how-to videos where we really build on the foundation we've already provided and help our potential customer understand our solutions even better. You can also create a case study video where you go in depth on how you solved one of your customers' problems. And along with case studies, you could also do a testimonial video where your customers are telling how your product or service worked out for them. And those are always great to have, and they really build up trust within your company and for customers looking for your solutions. And you can definitely have fun with this. You can send personalized videos through text or email. It's just a little bit more fun with your customer. Or you can do a email video series where you drip out video content through email. And of course, there's live video by going on any of the social platforms and actually going live. And one of the great things about going live is you would record that video and then it's another piece of content. Now, they don't necessarily fall under video marketing, but once you get the hang of it, some of the other great options for video are onboarding videos for your client or customer, sales or employee training, or course content videos. Now remember, a content creator and a business owner or solopreneur use videos in a completely different way. I'm not telling you to spend hours a day creating content for social platforms. Rather, create video content for marketing purposes based on your customer's journey. We can use video for the digital marketing funnel where we create brand awareness, interest, desire, action, and then advocacy. You can check out my video here where I show you how to create a piece of content and repurpose, format, and optimize it for different platforms. We can use one piece of content and create snippets for your social media, as well as using the same content in a number of different ways, such as on your website, a YouTube trailer, a blog post, things like that. Now, there's lots of other ways to use video content for your marketing, but I just want to touch on some of the high level stuff so you understood how it can really help your business grow. And here's my bonus tip. Your video doesn't have to be fantastic. If you look at this video, the audio could be better, the lighting could be much better, but I still got a video out to you and you get a better sense of who I am and whether or not there's a connection. And that's what video does. It really helps to create that connection or allow your potential customer or client to get to know you that little bit deeper. So if you have a chance, I would tell you now just to start taking video, get used to video. You don't have to be on camera, but it definitely helps, and take small little steps to getting video content incorporated into your small business or solopreneur marketing strategy. Now, I do have a free download that's in the description box below that will help you get clarity on your messaging. So make sure you click on the link and grab that. And as always, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, because digital marketing is ever changing and we want to make sure we understand it. And then once we understand it, we want to put it into play, and then we want to automate it all so that we're not spending hours and hours in our business. So thanks for watching, and I would love it if you could subscribe to this channel, hit the notification button so that you get all my videos, and make sure you give me a thumbs up because it helps with the YouTube algorithm.